Нифига себе. Стреляют.
Стреляют?
More than 100 Russian soldiers are killed as Russian military convoy sent as reinforcement is annihilated by Ukrainian armed forces in Rylsky district in Kursk region. The Ukrainian army has obliterated a Russian military column of dozens of trucks bringing infantry reinforcements to the Russian Kursk region in an attempt to stop the Ukrainian invasion. The attack was corroborated by Rybar, one of the most popular pro-Kremlin Russian telegram channels, which claimed that a local resident who filmed the video and then handed it over to the Ukrainian media had been arrested. Videos were circulated on social media, later verified by Suspilne and Agentstvo, that showed a series of destroyed and damaged Russian military vehicles as well as the dead bodies of Russian service members. In total, more than 14 pieces of destroyed or damaged military equipment were visible in the video. Russian telegram channels claimed that the column had been struck by a HIMARS missile, but the claims could not be independently verified. Some of the vehicles in the video are completely burnt out and destroyed, while others appear to be only partially damaged.
Блин, пацанов, сколько пацанов. Ё-моё. Вот это место. Проехал. Ребята, внутри. Ребята. Нифига себе. Стреляют.
Стреляют?
Боеприпасы. Поворачивайте нахрен.
Ясно.
Боеприпасы горят.
And we have the footage of the last night's HIMARS strike on that ill-fated Russian column outside Rylsk. Utter devastation and precision. This is the moment when Russian civilian encounters Russian tanks leaving the town of Sudzha in Kursk zone. Damn, tanks! But for some reason coming from Sudzha.
Блять, танки хуярят, ну почему-то, блять, со стороны Суджина. Ёба народ, блядь.
Chechen units defending the Russian-Ukrainian border in the Kursk region were unable to prevent the advance of the AFU as the Ukrainian military passed by the strong points of the Kadyrovites, said Apti Alaudinov, commander of the Akhmat Special Forces unit. By the way, when Prigozhin took control of Rostov, they were stuck in a traffic jam.
Знаете, что интересно? Все ребята, которые наши подразделения Ахмат, которые здесь находились на границе, вот что интересно, они все до сих пор находятся на своих позициях. Противник, получается, разнес два мапа, вот, прошел, вначале прошел уже без, как говорится, мапов, через участки, где большое расстояние от наших опорных пунктов было, вот, прошел там, потом техникой, как говорится, уже напрямую подскочил, подъехал танками, как говорится, раздолбал все эти мапы и прошел, получается, эти участки.
Kadyrov's TikTok troops are on fire. Clowns. They are just ordinary clowns.
Скоро Украины не будет, не переживайте. Ахмад сила, Аллаху Акбар. Они больше не появятся здесь никогда в жизни. Мы Ахмад сила, Аллаху Акбар.
Ukrainian units in the Kursk region. On August 7th, the Russia-Ukraine war reached its 896th day. Who would have thought that the Ukrainian armored vehicles would drive into Russia's Kursk Oblast? Yes, you got it right. This is the first time since World War II that foreign troops have entered Russia. Russians are panicking. Look at his face. Just look at his face. Ukrainian soldiers from the 14th Separate Regiment destroy Russian armored vehicles, and infantry. Russian T-80 BVM comes with a pre-installed cope cage from the factory in Omsk. Production is probably around 20 per month. Russia is losing around 10 tanks per day, 300 per month. The T-80 BVM itself is a modernized version of the T-80 BV main battle tank developed by Russia. The tank is designed to be a highly mobile and versatile tank, capable of engaging in various combat scenarios, from urban to rural warfare. This tank is equipped with advanced armament, protection, and mobility systems, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. It is a third-generation main battle tank, featuring a low-profile turret and a well-sloped armored hull, offering enhanced protection against various types of projectiles. The T-80BV itself was developed in the 1980s, while the T-80 BVM upgrade program began in the early 2010s. The T-80 BVM was first publicly revealed in 2017 during the Zapad military exercise. It was subsequently reported that the tank entered into service with the Russian ground forces in 2018. But anyway, like all other Russian tanks, the T-80 BVM is destroyed in Ukraine on a mass scale.
БВМ проходит целый комплекс испытаний.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.